Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel once more. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can improve your email marketing and get maximum results. So come along with me. Tip 1, your email subject line should be catchy. I see a lot of email subject lines and I'm wondering, were they sleeping when they created that subject line? Because it wasn't catchy at all. And of course, I didn't click, I didn't open it. So your email subject line should always be catchy. It should pique their interest. So they're like, I would like to read what that email has to say. So always put in that effort to ensure your subject line is catchy and it's on point. Because there's no point of having such an amazing body, such an amazing message in your email, but the subject line isn't catchy and nobody clicks it. That's like a wasted effort. So you need to put in enough energy to ensure your subject line is on point. Tip 2, split test. Now that takes us back to tip 1 where I mentioned about making sure your subject line is catchy. Now you might not be sure what subject line to go for. That's where split testing comes from. Always test and know what works for you and for your target audience, thereby making it more likely to get more click-through rates. So do try that out. Tip number 3, segment your subscribers, because I'm sure of course you have group of subscribers. You have the ones that are active, the ones that are inactive, and the ones that are not really active but they're just in the middle. Always segment your subscribers, because the emails that work for segment 1 might not necessarily work for segment 2 and might not necessarily work for segment 3. So you have to have emails tailored basically for those segments, so you can know when to upsell or when to keep them still in the warm audience area, and you can have emails tailored to that audience, thereby maximizing your results from your email marketing. So stick with me to the end of this video, because I'm going to give you 2 bonus tips that is definitely going to up your email marketing game. Tip number 4, personalize your emails. Most email marketing, if not all email marketing softwares, have that feature where you can personalize emails using people's first name. And always ensure when creating your landing page that you get their first name, so it helps you to be able to personalize the emails you'll be sending out to them, because it creates a connection when I'm able to know that, oh okay, this person knows my name, why is this person calling me? So I'm more likely to want to click on that email and know what is going on there. So always ensure to personalize your email so that you can grow your audience and you can get more click-through rates for your email marketing. Tip number 5, have a clear call to action for all your email sequences. Ensure that your call to action is clear. It's going to be a whole lot of wasted effort if you've created that amazing email with no call to action. Always ensure your call to action is visible and clear in all of your email marketing sequences. Okay, so let's get right into the bonus tips like I promised at the start of this video. Now if you're watching this video now, please hit the like button and then do subscribe if you haven't at this point. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get right into the bonus tips. So tip number 1, when creating your landing page, keep it simple. You don't need to overcomplicate things. Keep it as simple as possible. Make sure you have the name, the emails, the contact. Just get the most important information that I need to get. You do not need to have so many questions there. Just go straight to the point and go for the kill. Because when people have to fill up so much forms, so much things, answer so much questions, they just get tired and leave it. So just make it simple and straight to the point. So bonus tip 2, your value proposition should be top notch. Always ensure that your value proposition is actually something that people are willing to sign up for. So actually have that deep think of what your value proposition is. Provide so much value that people will definitely not say no to. They'll be willing to provide that email to be able to get that value. That way you're increasing your email list. So do try out all these tips and be sure to see your email marketing grow exponentially. So thank you for sticking with me throughout this video. Now if you found this video helpful, please share across to your friends, your family members, your loved ones, your co-workers, because I'm sure they're definitely going to find this video helpful as well, so everyone can have high click-through rates for their email marketing sequences. So thank you for sticking with me through this video once more. See you in my next video. Bye.